Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to delete and create new system partition in MBR or BIOS. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Recovery. Click Restart now. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. No star under GPT indicates the partition is MBR or BIOS. Type cell space, disk space, 0. Type list space, part. Select system partition. Type del part override. Type create part primary. Format fs equal ntfs quick. Type assign. Type active. Type assign letter equal n. Find your Windows installed drive. Type bcd boot space, d:\n \Windows space /s space, n:\n space, /f space, all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.